50,000 का टारगेट किया था सबवे सर्फर में बनाने के लिए।
अभी 8,000 हुए हैं।
अभी 8,000 हुए हैं एंड हम पहुंचने वाले हैं।
हम 27,000 पे पहुंच पाए और अब देखते हैं गेम जारी है।
ऑरलैंडो
जारी है।
हाँ, अब हम यहाँ पे चेक करोगे, यहाँ पे हम पहुँचेंगे 5 मिनट में ऑरलैंडो। How are you guys?
Very good. We're excited.
Yeah, are you guys excited for FHL?
Super excited. This is year number 4.
Yeah.
Number 4?
Yeah.
For me,
Year
it's
number 2 for me.
2 or number
50 this time, but should be next time. So
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
How to go from $1 million to $10 million? This is the same question I asked so many entrepreneurs here at FHL 2023, and the one answer that I got from all the people who have even made $10 million, $25 million and $100 million in their journey is by doing less stuff that I can go from 1 to 10 million. So less is more in this case. Whatever offers I'm promoting, I need to stick to that offer. I don't need to add more offers. I don't need to add more stuff into my plate. I just need to make my product and offers better, and that's what exactly gonna help me in order to go from 1 mil to $10 million.
That game will flip on its head. Big piece on the backside. Manage accounting. You don't manage your money, you're done. 1, 2, manage your people. You don't manage your people, you're done. 3, manage your process. But without process, your people and your money are going to be f***ed anyway. So
That's awesome, man. Thank you so much.
you got it.
What's up, my How y'all doing? Based on my scenario, when we were talking about 5K plus, this was a really great advice. But what do you suggest for downsell?
Without the intimacy, without coaching.
Got you. Okay.
So what you do is you give them a $2,000,
Do it yourself course.
right?
Yeah.
And then give them a fly-on-wall pass.
What does that mean?
You can watch me interact with people who paid me $5,000 but don't say anything.
If you are in your seat right now, nobody knew we won. He passed Joey Montana. I can't believe it.
आपका क्या टेक अवे लेके जा रहे हो और आप अपने फ्यूचर साहिल भाई को क्या बताना चाहते हो जो अगले साल देखेगा ये वीडियो? क्या अचीवमेंट करेंगे वो?
2cc तो पक्का ही है, अपना लेके आना है। कोशिश करेंगे 2cc कैसे लेके आ सकते हैं, या 2cc को 2 के इक्वल कैसे बना सकते हैं, $2 million कैसे कर सकते हैं। एंड नेक्स्ट 5-year goal I have already declared myself that gonna touch first $10 million. I don't know how, but I already declared it, so gonna make it happen.